Alina Habba repeatedly clashed with New York Judge Lewis Kaplan in the former president's libel case. Remarks made by Donald Trump's lawyer Alina Habba in a recent interview about her playing smart have resurfaced after she endured 2 difficult days in court during her client's civil libel damages trial. Ms. Habba clashed repeatedly with New York Judge Lewis A. Kaplan in court Tuesday and Wednesday during the former president's civil trial to determine damages for defaming columnist Jean Carroll. These included responding to repeated objections and her failure to stand when they were raised, as well as pursuing a motion to delay the trial so the former president could attend his mother-in-law's funeral. After another attempt at the latter on Wednesday, Ms. Habba received a sharp rebuke from Judge Kaplan. In response, she asked the judge not to talk to her that way. "I don't like it when people talk to me like that. And we'll be here for a few days," she said. "I request your honor to refrain from speaking to me in this manner." Social media users rushed back to a clip of Ms. Habba during a recent interview on the January 4 episode of the podcast, in which she said she would rather be pretty than smart. Discussing her appearance, Ms. Habba said, "I don't think I'd be on TV or sitting here if I didn't look the way I look. I think I got your attention. I'm very honest about this, and I don't mind. I'm not a feminist, I believe in strong women, but I want my door to open." She continued, "Someone said to me, 'Alina, would you rather be smart or beautiful?' And I said, 'Oh, easy, beauty. I can pretend to be smart.'" Sharing the clip on Wednesday, Ron Filipkowski, editor-in-chief of Maydos Touch, wrote, "Alina Habba proved in court today that this statement is categorically false." Trump's former lawyer Michael Cohen also reacted to Ms. Habba's speech, predicting another big loss for the former president, while U.S. political blogger Jeff Tiedrich wrote, "Shocked as hell to hear that Alina Habba can't pretend to be smart." Elsewhere in the court, Ms. Habba appeared to have difficulty referring to documents that were not introduced into evidence. Judge Kaplan adjourned the proceedings to refresh her memory on how to do this. She later asked the judge, "How should I proceed?" When questioning Ms. Carroll about the tweets she had received and then asking for a mistrial on the grounds that evidence was deleted, which was immediately rejected. Ms. Habba concluded her cross-examination of Ms. Carroll by pointing out that the gun the writer bought to protect herself from hundreds of death threats was unlicensed. "Don't even start," Judge Kaplan told her. Trump has already been found guilty of sexually assaulting Carroll in the 1990s and defaming her. The current trial is set to determine how much the former president must pay for repeating the libel.